Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to purchase VPS Game Panel inside the Hostinger. Now step 1 is just go to this website hpanel.hostinger.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, so on the left side you will see multiple options. So just go to this option called VPS. And once you click on VPS, as you can see, build application, host websites and play game with VPS. That depends on you. So inside this you will see these two, KVM VPS or Game Panel. Now for this case we will choose Game Panel as we are talking about this one. So just click on Get Now button, and once you click on Get Now, so they will ask you to select your server location, like add new Game Panel. So just choose your server location, whichever suits best to you. You can read the MS in front of them as well. Like you can see best latency, good latency. This is basically related to the internet speed and loading and rendering everything. So make sure to choose the location that you want to choose. Let's say I want to go with the Singapore. Choose the location, click on next. And after that they will ask you to create a panel, which will be a panel password, which will be used to log into your account. Now make sure to choose a password which you can remember and use, which is secure as well. So once you have entered the password, just click on next. And after that they will ask you to choose a plan, like if whichever plan you want to choose, either it is Game Panel 1, Game Panel 2, Game Panel 4 or 8. Now they all have a difference between the RAM, ROM support and GPU core as well. Basic plan has 1 GPU, it has 2, it has 4 and 8, 16 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, 4 GB, 50 GB storage, 100 GB, 200 GB, 400 GB, and they all give us the mode support and full root access as well. Now that depends on you, like whichever plan suits best for you, whichever plan is like best for your business or for you, that depends on you. You can just buy the plan, click on select, do the payment, and after that you will be able to buy the game panel or the games VPS inside the game panel. You can just buy it. That is your choice how you can set it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.